Good evening, everybody. This is Sandy with Sandy's Suggestions. I hope you're enjoying Bale Friends every single week with all of our different ideas and our different topics. This week I'm actually in the kitchen instead of out in the garden because I am making vanilla. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to let you see what I am making and how I'm doing it. So here's 3 great big bottles of vodka. It's 1.75 liters. Now what I did was I bought 1 pound of grade A extra long Madagascar beans. You can use grade B too. But I love these extra long Madagascar beans. You can even see some of the remnants in there. Oh. So I just divided it between the 3 bottles, sliced them up, scraped, and I put them in actually just last night, and it is already turning a great color. So I'm going to shake these every single day for at least 90 days. Then you could use your vanilla extract, yes, but I like it to age for a very long time. So after about 3 months, I'll just shake it once a week instead, and it will make great vanilla for me. Look at all those beans in there. I think there's about 35 beans in each one. So this is just Sandy's suggestion. Make your own stuff instead of buying it at the store. See you next time.